Hello everyone and welcome to this video on ChatGPT, a conversational AI tool developed by OpenAI. My name is Chiturvamsi. I am a YouTube content creator at Project Pro and I am excited to introduce you to this innovative technology that is changing the way we interact with machines. Coming to what is ChatGPT. At its core, ChatGPT is a language model that uses machine learning algorithms to analyze text input from a user and generate a response that is both relevant and coherent. It is based on the GPT-3 language model, which is one of the most advanced natural language processing models available today. Let us see how ChatGPT works. To understand how ChatGPT works, we need to dive a bit deeper into the technology behind it. At a high level, ChatGPT is based on a neural network that is trained on vast amounts of text data. This data includes everything from books and articles to social media posts and online forums. The neural network processes this data and learns to recognize patterns and relationships between words and phrases. It then uses this knowledge to generate responses to user inputs. The training process for ChatGPT is incredibly complex and involves millions of parameters that need to be fine-tuned over time. But the end result is a language model that can mimic human conversation with remarkable accuracy. Few of the use cases for ChatGPT are: one of the most promising areas for ChatGPT is in customer service. With ChatGPT, companies can provide 24/7 customer support to customers without the need for human agents. This can lead to significant cost savings while also providing a better customer experience. Another potential use case for ChatGPT is in language learning. With ChatGPT, users can practice their language skills and receive instant feedback on their grammar and vocabulary. This can be a powerful tool for anyone looking to improve their language abilities. See how we can interact with ChatGPT using Python. In this code, pip install OpenAI line installs the OpenAI package which is required to use ChatGPT. Import OpenAI line imports the OpenAI package so that we can use its functions. OpenAI.api key stores the API key that we get ourselves from the OpenAI website. The rest of the code allows us to interact with ChatGPT in real time by providing a prompt and receiving a response. The generate response function is responsible for generating the response using the ChatGPT model, while the loop and input function allows the user to enter multiple prompts and receive multiple responses. Let us see the few advantages of ChatGPT. The first is convenience. It can be accessed from anywhere at any time. It is cost effective. It provides customer support at a fraction of the cost of human agents. It is scalable. It can handle unlimited number of conversations simultaneously. There are challenges as well for ChatGPT. There are ethical concerns. So it has the potential to spread misinformation or harmful content. It has limited domain knowledge, which means it is not the best option for handling conversations that require specialized knowledge. For example, if a user is looking for medical advice, ChatGPT may not have the expertise to provide accurate information. There are also privacy concerns because ChatGPT is designed to learn from vast amounts of data, so there are concerns about privacy and protection. There is also a risk that potential information that is personal could be leaked or used inappropriately. As a ChatGPT is improving currently, so the future of ChatGPT could continue to advance and more applications can be built around it, which are more innovative. So coming to the conclusion, ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful technology that is changing the way we interact with machines. With its ability to mimic human conversation and provide intelligent responses to user inputs, it has a wide range of potential use cases, from customer service to language learning and beyond. If you are interested in learning more about ChatGPT or trying it out for yourself, I encourage you to check out the OpenAI website and explore the resources they have available. Thanks for being with me till now, guys. Project Pro is a curated library of verified, solved end-to-end project solutions in data science, machine learning, and big data. All the projects here are created by top industry experts from the top global tech companies. Here you will get end-to-end project solutions, reusable codes, guided videos, 24/7 customer support. You can get access to 3000 plus code recipes which are absolutely free, and buy the subscription plan to get access to the 250 plus project solutions and solved projects. Check out Project Pro website to know more and subscribe to Project Pro YouTube channel now.
Project Pro, the only solution for solved industrial grade projects.